Hello YouTube friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Haley. I like to do beauty tutorials, reviews, try-ons, etc, etc. I just was outside tanning, so if my face looks like a grease ball, that's why. Side note, my hair is so grown out, it literally just does nothing. Once again, I'm starting this video off with nothing in my hair, nothing on my face, so I can test these products out here. Today, I'm here to review my June IPSY bag. Now, I'm going to start this video off with a disclaimer that this video, for the most part, is going to be very negative, very mean. I am honestly one of the nicest people you will ever meet. It takes a lot to make me kind of talk bad about something, but this is just getting so frustrating to me that I really don't have many nice things to say. So unfortunately, that's just what this has come to, so let's get into it so you can see what I'm talking. So first off, let's start with the bag. I don't love this bag, but I don't hate it either. It is very summery. I do really like the color. I love that there are all skin colors of the rainbow represented on this. The reason that this review is mostly going to be negative is because when I signed up for IPSY, I signed up with the thought that I was going to be able to try out items from, more luxury brands that I wouldn't be able to test out. That being said, that rarely happens. I maybe get one luxury brand every bag. Sometimes it skips a month or two and then I will end up getting one. But most of the time, they're brands I've never heard of before. This month, I have not heard of any single brand that's in this bag. Now, I'm not saying that makes these brands bad. That's not what I'm saying. However, I wanted the IPSY so I could try all these more high-priced items and these brands that I normally couldn't afford. I know that I'm going to come off as high maintenance and maybe like a diva, but that's just honestly how I feel. I'm not going to say that I'm picky, I'm just going to say that I'm cautious. Like when it comes to food. When I'm at a potluck or something, people always say I'm picky, but I'm not. I'm just really cautious. If I don't know what's in it, I don't eat it. So it kind of translates to this. If I don't know what it is, I don't really want to use it. When you have a well-known brand, you know that it goes through strict testing, strict quality procedures, lots of thought go into the development of this. If something, God forbid, were to go wrong, you know that you can reach out and it will most likely get fixed or you'll get your money back. You just feel a better sense of security with a well-known brand. So with these brands that I've never heard of, I don't know what's in it. I don't know what their, procedures are like. I just don't know, and that's what scares me. So this is the second or third time in a row the card does not come with the information on the products, and it's starting to frustrate me because when I get these products, I want to know, how much they cost for a full size, the best ways to use them, the little tips and tricks, and you're not getting that anymore. So because the card doesn't tell you anything about the products whatsoever, I went on the internet to look up information about these products, and every single brand website that I went to, I didn't really feel that good using. Like, I felt like my identity was going to get taken. There were some that felt more secure than others, but overall, I just didn't really feel safe being on their website. Go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with the one I feel the safest using, and that is this Sugar Cosmetics Mad as Hell lipstick in the shade Viola. Made in Germany, that's what it says. So again, there's no information on it. When I did look it up, it said the full size retails for $20, and this is a pretty good size, so I'm not sure how much bigger the full size of this would be. This is a really pretty shade. It's very, very silky, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on. I think this will be a good color. This is right up the alley of colors that I like, so. Oh, this is very nice. Yay, good! I'm so glad when products I'm scared of actually turn out really well. I think I have heard of this brand before just on IPSY, but otherwise I haven't really. But this one on really, really creamy. It is a very matte, and it doesn't feel like a liquid lipstick because it's a crayon. I don't know if it's going to dry a little more than it is, but so far, it just feels like a lipstick, but looks like a matte liquid lipstick, which is really cool. Second product I got is this little blush from Manna Kadar Beauty. Never heard of them either. This is in the shade Bali Babe, I believe. Once again, there is no information, and that name seems kind of in an odd spot. But anyways, I am going to try to put some of this on. First, I'm going to swatch it. That seems like really good color pigment. So let's get some of this on a brush. Holy cow. Whoops. Okay. I do have sunscreen on my face. That's pretty fresh, but I'm wondering if that's helping this right now. Holy guacamole. Ooh, but there's some shine to that. I can't really see the shine in the pan here, but when it's on and even on my hand here, wow. That's some shine. Okay, this is so pigmented. And that's not a bad thing. Once again, I'm kind of wondering if the sunscreen I have on under this kind of has anything to do with that, but if not, then that is some pigmented blush. Wow. You have to go in with a light hand on this because, I mean, look at that. It's a nice color though, and it has some shine to it, so I feel like you wouldn't really need a highlighter. So far, all these things I was afraid of are turning out to be good, so let's hope that it keeps on this steady road here. I am getting into areas that I don't feel as safe. This next one, I don't know how to pronounce, and the way that I think it's pronounced is not a word that I should be using on YouTube. So it's Doucce. But anyways, this is a highlighter. When I looked it up on their website, it retails for $15. And this is in the shade Glisten. Let's do... It's just a gold highlighter. I actually don't have a gold, so I'm kind of interested to see how the gold will look. I'm going to attempt to put this on top, but this blush is really, really pigmented and shiny and highlighty already, so I'm not sure how well you're going to be able to see this. So let's just try. Oh, you can see it up there for sure. Okay. Let's do some on my nose because there's nothing on my nose, so. That's not that good. Let's do it here. Okay, so once again, still pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. Still on the way up. Let's hope it keeps going. I don't have too much face with these next one though. Next I have a Kensie body lotion. When I looked up Kensie and I just Googled it, it took me to a clothing brand. So I was very confused, and then I typed in just the full name, like Kensie body lotion, and this is actually a perfume company. So I'm worried that this is going to be overly fragranced. I'm really not a perfume lover. Whoa. Oh yeah. Yeah, that is definitely perfume. I'm just going to put some on my hand here just because I don't know how this is going to work. Wow. That is strong. It doesn't smell bad, but like when you think of what perfume smells like that's what it smells like. Very strong. Very, very strong. This next product is the one that I'm really sketched out about because there's like two names for this company. The first is Pure Heals, and then it says By Nature Village. So I wasn't sure what it was, so I looked them up, and this was honestly one of the sketchiest websites I have ever been to. Like, serious. This is the Pure Heals by Nature Village Ginseng Berry 80 Overnight Mask, and it's just a moisturizer. It says mask, but it is just a moisturizer. I felt like my credit card was gonna get stolen, and that sounds really mean. It does. I know that. I'm owning that. But it was really, really sketchy. This is a Korean brand, I'm assuming, because it says made in Korea. Half of the instructions here are in Korean. I'm assuming that's what it is. I could be wrong, and sorry if I am. I could not find this product anywhere on their website. I couldn't find it on Amazon. I couldn't find it on the internet in general. So that's what makes me really sketched out about it. Their website had like a general mask section, which is what this is, but I didn't even see it in like any of their packs. So that really scares me. Find it anywhere on the internet, and the website looked super sketchy. Always very cautious when it comes to face masks just because my skin on my face is kind of sensitive. So I really don't think I'm going to be using this one, to be honest with you. My face is starting to itch. Why is it starting to itch? I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. So I hope you guys can kind of see where I'm coming from when I say that I was afraid of these brands. This lip crayon turned out really, really nice. And these actually were very nice too. However, something in this general region on my face is starting to itch. and that's what I was afraid of. I feel like with really, really well-known brands, you wouldn't be afraid of that. And I am, so I'm going to go ahead and take this off before it starts getting a rash or something like that. But I don't know, you guys. Have you heard of any of these? Maybe I'm just living under a rock and I don't know. But I don't know, IPSY is really starting to disappoint me lately. I don't know what to do because there's like every once in a while I get a really, really awesome bag or really, really awesome product that makes me hold on, but then it goes like 2 or 3 months in a row where it's just flops and I don't know what to do. I'll think about it and I'll see you guys